From the floor of the CME Group, Tim Haefke from TopNotch Trading, here with today's Mr. Top Step update on Tuesday, October 28th. We're heading into the end of the month, and Mr. Top Step keeps coming out and saying, Danny, my friend, says, it's nothing but good, and the first 3 days of November are just one of the more bullish moves, I should say, as he puts it, of the year. I'm not going to fall into that at this time, but I'm going to demonstrate or show you on the charts what has happened. First of all, this is the regular session move since we made contract highs in this move. But the day we made a regular session high, it was 12.5 in the pit. And I'm talking about the pit. And we came down and made a 14 even low. This chart, if you go over here, shows a 13 low. Well, that's because CQG, if you go on a daily chart, will show an offer, but not the print. The real print low was 14 even. But that's apples and oranges as far as I'm concerned. So in the meantime, look at this. The 382 through, 50% through, 618 through. But now this is what I want to be talking about. This 3/4, 0.750, whatever, however you want to put it. Right now, on a daily basis, we come up, our level says 62.75 on the fib on a daily. Now, let's go to the next chart, and we're going to do the continuation. If you look at the continuation, it comes here and says 63.5. Okay, now just keep that in mind, 62.75, 63.5. Today, the SPOO opens up for the first time since making that low in the pit, 62.5 to 63. Very interesting how it opens near that area. Regardless, if it made an overnight high of 69, this open was important. So now let's go to the E-mini trade. Up all the way to the E-mini contract high to low, a little bit different with the 14.5 contract mini high, down to this low of 13. But don't forget, that's the mini low now, and they take out more than the pit. So with this in mind, it's a 64 price right now. Most of today's session has seen lots of consolidation between 62.75 and 64 level as it makes up its mind in front of a 2-day Fed meeting. But the most important thing I want to point out is the continuation from the all-time high. And this next chart shows you right before this high, right here, right before the September contract expired, which counts, this future put in a 2022 half all-time high, and then the September expired. Well, that's still a main point of interest because these became lead month. But the lead month in the D's right now is 14.5. So we got an 8-handle difference. But this is what the most important 3/4 move is. We come up here and it says our target is 1070.10. Very interesting, you'd say. So now we're going to go to our next chart. We come all the way up here. This is the first day of October. We make, if you come down here and look, our high of the day is 1070.20 for the high of October. We do a little back and fill. We break all the way down to these lows. And if you ever looked at that channel trend I was talking about, we just missed that bottom of the channel trend. And I'm not going to show you that one today because you should have that. Just go back to the low of 2011 to the high of 2012, draw that channel trend in there, and you can see how this year, 2014, we banged at the top of it, and when we retraced down to this low, we just missed the bottom. Now the retracement's all the way back, but this is key right now. The October 70.10 high, all right, or 70.20 high with the Fibonacci retracement of 70.10. Bingo, bango, that's what I'm going to look for. They need to get above this 70.10 in order for me to believe they're going to continue and see new contract highs. I'm not sure if I'm going to fade that first Fed move or not tomorrow. The results will be in. Have a good day. We'll take it from there.